Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a warehouse in Redux 3.05 that you can use to store your meteors, Dragon Balls, or some other item that you would like to. So in this tutorial we're going to code the NPC. We're gonna go to database in the characters tab, add a new tab that is going to be called Meteors and Dragon Balls stored, and I'm gonna show you actually right now what it will look like. Let me just start up the server here. Okay. So let's see this. The NPC's current location is in Market, near Shelby, I believe. Yep, here we go. Rare banker. So we're gonna add the option to check your balance to tell you how many meteors and Dragon Balls you have at the moment. So we have 5 Dragon Balls. Rare banker, Dragon Ball bank, deposit 1, I guess. You don't have that many Dragon Balls. Dragon Ball bank, withdraw 5. Let's log out really fast. Refresh, and as you can see, it doesn't have any Dragon Ball stored anymore. So now to get onto the part where we actually create that, we're gonna I'm just gonna go to my Twin City tab, copy any single NPC, doesn't really matter. Copy a barber, sure. I really like the system I really like this system for like identification of the NPCs, where you just put the square brackets and the ID inside it. Warehouse. Right. So first thing that we'll do is we're gonna delete everything. Let's see from. Okay. Now, after you copy the NPC, there's a few things that you would like to change. That's the NPC underscore, and you're gonna want to change the ID to your one, to the ID that you're going to create the character as. The next one is the ID bottom, which sets up the NPC ID as well. The face is just when he talks, and that's about it. Now, you're also going to want to like change this, because this is the name of the class NPC, and you're gonna need to put in the new ID there. That fixed the problem. So how I like to do this is, it usually takes me about 3 cases for each item. So we're gonna put in case 0. Also in this tutorial I'm only going to show it for meteors, so you guys hopefully you can figure it out how to do it for the Dragon Balls, seeing as it's pretty much the same exact mechanic. So case break, add some text. This pre-made function into the client, into the source, there are add text, add option, add input, and not sure about the last one. So let's do like hello traveler, I can store your Dragon Ball, your meteors, into a virtual bank. Add option, yes please, and that's gonna take us to case 10. And add option, no thank you. So that's gonna take us to case 255. When you don't want to jump to another case, you just put in 255 right here, and that's just going to abort the whole NPC system. So it's basically an end. So anyway, let's type case 10. Oh, 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I had to do something. So, case 10, yeah. Add text. Oopsie. We're gonna do it just for withdraw. Like, you should be able to figure out. Actually, we're just gonna do it for deposit. You should be able to figure out how to do it for withdraw. If not, just ask in the comments and I'll answer it as soon as possible. How many meteors would you like to deposit? Question mark. And we're gonna put in add input, amount, and which case it should jump to. So we'll just put that 11. Add a break, case 11. So string met amount string equals client.npc input box, and we're gonna do a try and catch method here to actually see if you can convert it to a integer or not. So format exception E, right? So try. Let me just put in a public integer here. Public integer met amount. So try met amount equals to convert dot to int 32 met amount string, which should basically just convert the string to numbers, to an integer, and we're gonna say like try to do that, otherwise add text you did not enter a valid number. Add option sorry 255. So right now you enter an amount how much you wish to deposit. It tries to convert it to an integer. If it succeeds, it will go to case 12. My bad. Otherwise, it will just do this. It's gonna say you did not enter a valid number. So add a break and go to case 12. Now in this case, sorry, it's going to check if he has enough Dragon Balls inventory, meteor, sorry. So if client has item constant meteor ID and the amount is met amount, then sorry this, otherwise, oh my god, you do not have enough meteors in your inventory to do that deposit. Add option sorry. Otherwise, if he has that, client dot character dot meteor stored, we're gonna go into like in just a second. We're gonna go and create this variable plus equals, well actually we're gonna do a for loop. So for integer I equals 0, I is below met amount, I plus plus, I don't know what's happening. Okay, client delete item constant dot meteor ID client character meteor stored plus equals 1. So this is just gonna do this process over and over again until I is equal to the met amount. and that should be enough. Now we're gonna have to like add the variable meteor stored. So first you're gonna want to go to your navicat or whatever you're using, go to database, characters, file, design table, go to the bottom and just type in this. As you can see here, meteor stored, integer 11 0 and allow null. You're also going to want to disable auto increment. Now after that you're gonna want to go to entire solution actually. Oops, meteor stored. Sorry, I have my second monitor on, that's why it's okay. So you're gonna want to go to db character and type in this public virtual int meteor stored get set, which is going to connect to database. You're also going to want to go to db character.xbm.xml and property name meteor stored column meteor stored is going to connect to the navicat. And then you're gonna want to go to update type, just add it in the random place, doesn't really matter. This is going to be so it can be accessed, and to player.cs, so this will save the character meteor stored value and get it from there. And also you're going to want to do it so whenever someone creates a new character, the automatic value for meteor stored is 0. So just go to player.cs, in the void create db character, and character.meteor stored equals 0. Now that's all that we're going to cover in this tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.